What's up, E-World? So real quick, I'm getting ready to start filming this controller portion of the Super 73 build. But honestly, man, I'm looking at how the first couple parts are being viewed, and just the overall. I kind of thought people would be a little more interested in this 72 volt build and this aftermarket controller wiring job because it was a Super 73. But maybe Super 73s have been out long enough and there are enough of these videos floating around that it ain't even necessary. So, being as though this is going to take a long time, y'all let me know in this little short clip, is anybody actually interested in seeing an aftermarket controller get wired up? Because if not, man, shit, I ain't got to waste a lot of time. I can go ahead and knock this thing out and be done with it. So while I'm starting to film the first, little bit of this controller wiring up, man, y'all let me know, man. If ain't nobody really interested in seeing it, man, I can go ahead and knock this thing out, man, and be done with it. And that way I can get to Frank, because I got some stuff I want to do to Frank, man. So ain't no need in me wasting a lot of time on this Super 73 if don't nobody really want to see it. So y'all let me know.